Hello, today I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Nintendo Switch 2. In case of emergency or if you have some trouble with your device, you have 3 buttons on the top side of your console. You need the volume up and volume down button, which you have to press at the same time. And you press the power button until you see the Nintendo branding. Then you can release the power button and keep pushing volume up and volume down until you reach the recovery mode. The recovery mode is the hidden menu. And here in that recovery mode, we are able to update the system, restore the settings, and restore the factory settings. This will be the hard reset, okay? First step is we try now. If you have trouble with your console, the first troubleshooting thing should be, if you cannot enter into the system, you should go to the recovery mode and try the update system. For the update system, you will need access to the internet, so that you can make by using, or it's possible to make this using the Wi-Fi connection possibility, or you can use a local area network cable to plus the dock, of course, to get there. And after you are going to make an update, maybe it works. The next thing is if you have props with your console, with your console settings, then we can restore the settings. Keep user data, of course. If you go to restore factory settings, that means we should remove all of them. Our Nintendo account is still existent. Okay, that means if you bought software, games on and with your Nintendo account, it will be able, if you make a clear setup again and enter your Nintendo ID again, you can download this on another console, on that console after the finish that troubleshooting. So factory is then restored. The system is about to turn off, means now it is all gone. And we are ready to make a clear new setup process. We push the power button again to reboot the system. After that reboot is done, we are ready and we can now enter into a clear setup again after the hard reset. This is the most software-based troubleshooting ever. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Done.